right, we have some news just coming in at this point in time. Let's take a look at these developments. It's a big setback for Vijay's Jana Nayagan. The Madras High Court has stalled the CBFC certification to the film. Earlier, High Court's single bench directed the board to grant a UA certificate to Jana Nayagan, and that has now been stalled. Essentially, the Madras High Court stalling the CBFC certification to this film. In that sense, it's a big setback for Vijay's Jana Nayagan. The court has stalled the CBFC certification to the film. Remember, just earlier today itself, a single judge bench of the Madras High Court had indeed said that there would be a UA certification to the film, and that at this point in time has been stalled. The matter was then taken up by the Madras High Court Chief Justice with the CBFC within minutes, really approaching the Madras High Court Chief Justice. The court now has stalled the certification to the film. There's more uncertainty on what next as far as the movie Jana Nayagan is concerned. It's a big setback for the film. Remember, objections were raised by one member from the CBFC, after which the CBFC did send this to the revising committee of the board. This was a move that was questioned by the producers, saying that they had not been told about the problems with the film at all. Eventually, this also got the producers, the makers of the film, to move Madras High Court. CBFC did the same, after which earlier today the Madras High Court had said that this action by the CBFC is setting a wrong example, in a sense, wrapping the CBFC. But this was a single judge bench of the Madras High Court that eventually gave a UA certification to the film, and then the matter was taken up by the Madras High Court again, with the CBFC approaching the Chief Justice of the court. It's now a setback. I'm going to go straight across to Anaga for more detail on that. Within a day, the order of the Madras High Court, its own order, has been overturned. What can you tell us about what happened, Anaga?
Well, in fact, Sneha, the Chief Justice of Madras High Court has stayed the single bench order that was delivered today. In fact, the Chief Justice has questioned the filmmakers of Jana Nayagan as to how is it that that they could go ahead and announce a release date when they didn't have a censor certificate in hand. That's question number one. Question number two that's put forth by the Chief Justice is that this was particularly directed at the single judge. The Chief Justice has questioned that why is it that CBFC was not given enough time to file a counter affidavit. In fact, it was on Jan 7th that the orders was reserved, and this morning it was passed in favor of Jana Nayagan. So the Chief Justice has questioned that why is it that the censor board was not given enough a chance, enough a time to reply and to file a counter affidavit.
Yes.
Number one. Number two, question to the filmmakers as to how is it that they could go ahead and announce a release date when they didn't have a censor certificate in hand.
That's right. So it's a big development in that sense, with the uncertainty there continuing. Akshita is with us for the very latest, and so is Nalini. I'll come to you, Akshita, in a moment from now. A quick word from Nalini. Nalini, you've mentioned that the court said CBFC was not granted sufficient chance to respond to what had been said earlier in the morning.
Sneha, so if we look at what has happened before the single judge, essentially the arguments were made after which CBSE had officially sought time to respond to the petition. They had said that we need at least 2-3 days. But just within 2 days of the petition being taken up, an order was pronounced by the single judge, which is what is a concern to the Chief Justice's bench, the two-judge bench that just heard the matter,
Right,
who've gone ahead and said that why wasn't a chance given to the authority to file their response, to file the counter affidavit so that things could come on record. But what was the urgency for the single judge to pass this order? And for that primary reason, the division bench has said that we cannot allow for this order to be put into effect right now. So the single judge order is effectively been stayed, which means that the CBFC does not have to follow the directive to grant a UA certificate to the movie, at least for now, till the time the Chief Justice's bench doesn't take up the matter again from here.
That's right. Be with us, Nalini. Akshita is also with us. Akshita, this was what we were talking about in the morning, weren't we? That in that sense, if the matter is taken up by the Chief Justice of the Madras High Court, things will be very different for Vijay and for the producers, and that's exactly what has happened. Having said that, what could be the possible road ahead, legally speaking, for them?
Legally speaking, you could see the makers approach the Supreme Court as well, Sneha, but it's going to be, something that will take some time now. What this essentially means is if Vijay was hoping for a release next week, in line with Pongal still, to ensure that it still falls in that Pongal holiday, that looks highly, highly unlikely now. If this is going to follow the path of the CBFC taking its time, that means it will go to the revising committee, back to square one. It could take a couple of weeks. So in all likelihood, now the makers will have to go back to the drawing board to figure out what are tentative release dates, what works for them. Considering this is Vijay's last film, they wanted it to be a big bang one, and Pongal was a perfect occasion to release it. However, that's clearly not going to happen. The makers will have to figure out a plan B, a plan C, based on really not just legal steps, but also what the censor board could do. You know, the Madras High Court has very clearly lashed out to the makers, saying, why did you announce a release date even before certification was done? The reality is that most filmmakers do it. They eye a festive date like a Diwali, like a Christmas, like an Eid or a Pongal, and go ahead and announce that this is the release date even before the certification comes in. So this isn't something that's new right now. However, the fact that you're seeing right now this development happening for the makers, they'll have to figure out what their reaction is going to be.
Well, that's right. These are fast-moving developments. It's interesting that within a few hours of the Madras High Court, Akshita wrapping the CBFC, actually saying that you're setting a bad example. They've